Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will walk you through how to delete Woocommerce from your WordPress website in 2025. So if you no longer need the plugin, this guide is for you. So first of all, you will have to log in into your WordPress admin dashboard. So the interface of it will look something like this. Now over here, you need to hover over to the left hand section and you need to go to plugins and click on installed plugins option. Now over here, you will see the list of all of the plugins that you have installed in your WordPress website. So here you will see WooCommerce as one of them. So if you have installed WooCommerce, you just have to simply find it, and instead of the activate option, you will see the deactivate option. So you just have to simply click on deactivate, and this way you will be able to delete or remove this plugin completely from your WordPress account, and you will be able to basically de-link WooCommerce with WordPress. Now here is one thing that you need to keep in mind, that you back up your data first in case you want to restore your store information, or WooCommerce might leave behind some of the data in your account. So in order to remove that, you need to go to WooCommerce, and over here you just have to go to the settings. In your settings, you need to go to the advanced section, and from there you need to simply reset to delete WooCommerce data completely. So you need to also follow this step, and this way you will be able to delete WooCommerce from WordPress. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more easy WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.